This is a 2021 Adam Julite, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof, wooden floor. This trailer has a few more features than standard. The trailer is 7'6" tall and 6'6" wide. They consider it to be 14 feet long. It's got full-length running boards, 4-foot high extrusion in the horse area. So you can see it has windows in the nose. And there's a window here in the dressing room between the horse area and the dressing room. Bridle hooks, 2 saddle racks. We've also got a window here over the saddle racks. Full-size spare tire. And rubber mats on the dressing room floor. Camper door with screen. Got 2 escape doors with sliding windows on this trailer. Bar style head divider that swings or is removable. 2 pop-up roof vents. It's going to pull tons of air through that trailer. Removable divider. That divider is padded on both sides. Pads on the walls and padded breast and butt bars. Hip windows that slide open. Interior lights in the horse area and the dressing room. And of course this divider will come out so that you can use this trailer for things other than horses. Gravity style latch on your breast and butt bars so you don't lose those. Got a stopper here, so if you're trying to latch that and your horse is pressing against it, it'll stop them. 15-inch steel wheels, ST28213 load range E, 10-ply tires. All the running lights are LED, the load light is LED. Got a switch on the back for your load light and your interior lights. Rear ramp has top curtains. These top curtains have sliding windows, or you can also latch them back for travel. This ramp is super light. Easy to pull up and down with one hand. Again, we've got that 4-foot extrusion on the sides of the horse area. All the running lights are LED, 2 escape doors, full running boards. There's a treated wooden floor under these mats. Should put that up in the back. Let's see if I can get in that for you. And show you that floor. There we go. Treated wooden floor there under the mats. This trailer is aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof, wooden floor. Windows everywhere you can put a window. You can find this trailer on our website at trailercountryllc.com. The trailer is going to be TC28213. TC28213 is going to be the stock number of this trailer. The trailer is located in Carrollton, Virginia at Trailer Country LLC. All the specs, photo, and video at trailercountryllc.com.